Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Broke Girl Aesthetic. On this channel, I do budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips and hauls, trashy treasures, and more. I had a lot of fun organizing my craft room, but I wanted to have some more fun and make some stuff specifically to help with that. So stick around and see what I come up with. My first little craft today is using a glass fishbowl and the terracotta pot and saucer to turn it into a cute little gumball machine type thing. And I'm not even sure where I got all this stuff, so I can't tell you, but you know, you can find it out there. And I'm going to use the Waverly chalk paint and moss to paint the terracotta pot and the saucer. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue the little fishbowl to the bottom of the terracotta pot, and the saucer will be the top lid thing. Just using some E6000, and I'm going to also use hot glue. And you can see I was already kind of messing around with it, trying to figure out the proper place for it to sit, because either the bowl is crooked or something is crooked. Nothing was sitting level, but no, it's fine. It's fine. We're going to work with it. So we're just going to go ahead and add some hot glue for that instant hold. The E6000 is the, you know, the permanent hold. Glass and hot glue don't get along. So, well, come to think of it, it doesn't really work with the E6000 either, but we're going to use it anyway. And this is basically going to be a functional decor piece. Everybody does their gumballs or gumball machines with red or blue. I wanted something a little more aligned to my aesthetic, which is really just kind of random, but I prefer earthy boho colors, things like that. So here I'm just trying to figure out the best way to leave it sit. I've got this heavy glass jar full of Sherbonder hot glue sticks that I'm going to use to leave it sit and all that. And I glue a little bead to the top for the little lid part. Now I'm just going to sit this off to the side, and it's going to be overnight. Now I'm coming back the next day and doing this, and I'm actually cutting bits and pieces of my video together to put this like this. But so that's done. It's been sitting overnight. It's not going anywhere, and I'm just going to use it to hold on my beads and round. Those are a pack of round balls from Hobby Lobby. These are just some random beads. This is all stuff that doesn't fit in my bead organizer. So I'm just kind of taking them all from different places and just going to put them all in here. It's a mismatch of beads, but that's okay. It's decor. I mean, it's functional, and I'll probably sort through and grab beads out of here, you know, when I want to or whatever. But I just thought it would be cute, and you know, I don't really do gumballs or candy that often. So I thought this would be something cute to sit in my craft room. And, you know, it's a DIY. I put it together. It made sense to me. I don't know. Oh, I did get that. That fishbowl came from a thrift store, actually. And I think I got the terracotta pot out of a set that I got from Amazon, I think. So here I'm just mixing the beads up, trying to disperse them a little bit. And when you see the final reveal at the end, you'll see how it looks stirred up properly with the beads, so they're not all like that. And that's it. This is the first installment of Funtime Friday. So I guess this was episode 1 for this year. I don't know. Season 2. The first one of 2022. And as always, this is just a place to post some fun videos. Nothing, there's no theme. There's really no challenge. The only challenge is what video are you going to post. And I'm joined by Robin of Robin's Buys and DIYs. And we're just sharing some fun stuff. So make sure you check my description box for my link and her link and the link to the playlist, as well as the link to add your own videos if you've chosen to participate in this. If you saw on Tuesday, I did a craft room cleanup, and I'm still kind of in the zone working on stuff to stay organized. That's what you're seeing today in this video is a couple of things that I put together real quick to continue cleaning up and sorting in my craft room. And if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. My birthday is Tuesday, and I really would love to be able to hit 1,000 by then. If not, 1,011, since my birthday is 1/11. That would be great too. But otherwise, let's keep rolling into the next video clip. And for this craft, I'm taking some of those wood crates from Dollar Tree. I have 4, and I'm going to turn them into a tower thing. So I can put some of these little wood bits away, like, you know, craft sticks and Jenga blocks. And I'm going to use these wood slats that I got from Amazon a while ago to assemble it. I wanted to do 4, because I have 4 of the trays. I wanted to do 4, stack 4, but my little wood slats weren't long enough for that. So I kind of fashioned myself a drawer for the 4th crate, and you'll see at the end. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make this little stand out of these crates so I can, you know, just, again, functional storage decor thing. You know, it's a thing. Yeah, I don't know. This is Funtime Friday. There's no theme. So this was just something I put together, and I thought I would go ahead and record and share. So I'm just trying to line them up, figure out where I want them, and then I can come in behind with some wood glue and hot glue and a staple gun and put it all together. So I didn't figure I needed to bore you with all the details. Again, like I said, I'm going to use I'm using Gorilla Wood Glue, Surebonder hot glue sticks, and my staple gun. And I'm just putting these wood slats, and they weren't all perfectly straight, but I picked the 4 that looked the best, I thought. And I just kind of struggle with trying to figure out how to staple it together and hold things, and you know, we know how it is. Sometimes you just need like 6 hands and you don't have those. But I figured it out. I got it figured out. Everything was good. And once I adhered everything with the glues, and then I was able to go back in with the staple gun and secure those. They did kind of peek through the other side a little bit, but that's okay. I'm all right with it. It's not going to scratch me. It's not enough to be real visible. So I'm okay with it. I turned up the tension a little bit on this one because the staple was peeking out a little further than I wanted, and I didn't really feel like trying to nail it or whatever. So anyway, just flying through this part. Now that's done. And here I am putting together this drawer. Now I just took some little beads, and using my little mini hot glue gun, I'm using them as support for the 4th crate. Yeah, I can't handle odd numbers in things. I don't know why. I don't know where that comes from. I just like even numbers. And if I have even numbers of something, I feel weird leaving 1 behind. You know what I mean? Trying to do 3 when I have 4. So this is my attempt at making a drawer and using what I have on hand to do that. And I'm just taking, like I said, I'm just taking some little beads, and I'm going on both sides. And then I'm going to use a couple of really skinny craft sticks to make like the tracks, I guess. so it will sit in there and you know, it won't drop behind as I pull it out and stuff like that. So I just, yeah, figured that out and put that together. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint the exterior with the white Adirondack from Folk Art. That's chalk paint. And I use the Folk Art Decor Wax and Antique for the inside. I don't know. I just felt like it or something. Had a little struggle after I painted this because, I don't know, I guess it fit nice and tight before I painted it. And then after I painted it, it just kind of gave me a little fit. But that's okay. So this piece is put together and done. And now all I need to do is fill it up. I didn't do the inside of the little planks, strips, wood things, words. I didn't do the inside. I'll probably go back and do that, but it works fine the way it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with stuff. And just throw some of these craft sticks. I've got different sizes, so I'll just put the ones that fit in here. I've also got wood tags. I've got Jenga blocks, all kinds of stuff. And so I'm just kind of putting this stuff in here. I think I actually go around and rearrange. Yeah. Putting the parts where I think I'll need them more accessible, I guess. So getting the, and these are the full-size Jenga blocks. They're not the mini. I don't think I have any more mini ones left, actually. My Dollar Tree does not carry the dollar ones. I have to pay full price for the full-size sets, which totally sucks. I hate it. So here they are, just sitting on my tabletop. Let me know what you guys think. They're kind of quick and easy, super cheap, really, DIYs. I mean, most of the stuff you could get at Dollar Tree. Don't forget to check out the rest of the playlist. That link is in my description box below, along with my co-host Robin. Don't forget to spread that YouTube goodness, like, comment, subscribe to everybody in the playlist. Show the love. I will be back here on Sunday for Small Creator Sunday. It's birthday themed because my birthday is Tuesday. Like I said, I will be 45. I'm not hiding it. I am owning it. I love it. And I will be live on my channel. So stay tuned for that too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care, y'all. Bye.